Ghost hunting session dos.
Part 2.
Part 2. Okay. All right, I'm so down. Okay. So, I'm trying to think what else are we going to ask.
Should I pull up the list?
I'll just ask for like random questions.
Okay.
All right, if there's anybody here right now, why are you here? Did you used to live around this area?
Do you want us here?
Yeah, do you like the family that lives here now?
Is there anything you want from us?
Is there anything that you want to say, any message that you have that you want people to know about?
Do you know that you're dead?
Let's try with the noises and see if we can get like them to make noises or move something.
Okay.
So, if someone is actually here, will you please just make a sound or move something? Just tap on something. Where's the shadow figure that Hannah saw? Is it here right now? Dribbles like I'm hiding. I'm getting out of here. I can't think of any other questions.
Could you say our names? Could you say your name?
What time period are you from? Can you move something or just try to do anything to communicate with us at all? That's good.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Let's review the evidence. Like that's just like background noise, right?
Mm-hmm. Is there anything
that you want to say, any message that you have that you want people to know about?
Do you know that
you're dead? I sound like the ghost, right?
Yeah. Does that noise you?
I don't know.
It sounded scratchy.
Can I play it back? Or wait, hold on. Yeah, I can play it back. Hold on. I don't think that was me. Unless that was you moving around.
Well, it's like it sounds like scratching.
Yeah, it
not
does.
Like soft.
It does sound like scratching. Well, we can play this back too and see, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, we should play it back to see if we can find the scratchy noise.
Where's the shadow figure that Hannah saw? Is it here right now? It feels like I'm hiding. I think it's almost over. Can you say our names? Can you say your name? What time period are you from? Can you move something or just try to do anything to communicate with us at all? What is that? Like, I don't even know. I'm like, is that just like background noise? Okay. All right. This concludes Paranormal Lockdown. Goodbye.